Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Crypto Guy. In this video I'm going to tell you about Pancake Bunny Finance, how you can make money with this yield aggregator DeFi application. Bunny helps cake lovers get more cakes. There is also BSC pool, there is also Ethereum pool, and I also have made a similar video before, Pancake swap tutorial. So in this video I'm going to tell you about Bunny Finance. So if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to go like my channel, share it, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so before we start about this tutorial, how you can use Pancake Bunny Finance, you have to connect your MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. And if you don't know how to do that, please follow my this video tutorial, MetaMask, how to install, connect with Binance Smart Chain full tutorial. Here you can get all the information how you can connect your MetaMask, change it to Ethereum, to BSC, Binance Smart Chain, how you can deposit BNB in your MetaMask, how you can transfer from Binance to your MetaMask. So don't forget to do that before you start with Pancake Bunny Finance. Okay, so let's start with Pancake Bunny. Here you can see that Pancake Bunny is right now 357. It is in the massive dip right now, minus 10% or almost 11%. I always tell you those coins that dip is the time to buy. If you really think that this is the coin you want to invest, this is the time to buy. You can see that the market cap, the rank is 277. This is their website, pancakebunny.finance, and this is on BSC scan as well. So if you want to explore it, this is the BSC scan token for Bunny token. And it's also they have a good community on the Twitter, Telegram as well, and mostly it's yield aggregator, Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, and DeFi. So for example, if you want to buy 100 US dollar of Bunny, that would be 0.29, and if you see it from the last 24 hours, it's going in a dip. I think this is a good time, and high was 512 US dollar, and the all-time low was less than $3, and now it's more than 358. I mean, if you have bought that one, you can see how much growth it is. Market cap is still quite good. Circulating supply is very less, is only 1.2 million. The total supply and the circulating supply is only 500,000, which make it a very good candidate to invest and to explore more. And Pancake Swap, you can go there and you can exchange with your BNB USDT. And if you haven't seen my video how to use Pancake Swap tutorial, here it is. Here I also told you how you can exchange your BNB to Pancake Swap, and how you can also exchange your BNB into Bunny token as well. Okay, so this is pancakebunny.finance, and first of all, like if you land on this page, I will just give a quick refresh. This is how it looks like. You have to connect your wallet, so it's very easy. It will looks like this. Connect wallet, and you already have installed Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask, so you just have to click once, and this the option will come MetaMask. You click on it, and here you can see that you have been connected to your MetaMask account on Binance Smart Chain. Bunny helps cakes lovers to get more cakes, and definitely you guys know that I am following Pancake Swap as well, so definitely I would like to check this Bunny as well, and that also helps cake lover to get more cake. And this is, you can see the total deposited value at Bunny at the moment, and Bunny market cap, you can see, is very good. Monthly profit to Bunny cakes is insane. They are giving and they also have a Discord group, Telegram, Twitter, and it's also have collaboration with Binance Lab, Bunny Store, and it's also bit audited. And there are two smart chain, BSC and Ethereum. Ethereum, you can see that it's still under construction, so this is not supported yet, but BSC pool they have it. And after that you can see all the active pools. So first of all, I have just try this pool, and I just deposit like 5 USDT. And if you don't know how to convert USDT in from BNB, or you just have to go and see Pancake Swap tutorial. Here I told you how you can exchange your BNB to USDT and also other coins. So if you want to see that, this is a deposit pool which I already did. So if we click here, you can see that it's USDT pool. It's auto compounding. It's mean that the interest is getting added in your initial investment, and you're going to make interest on your interest. So it's auto compounding, and the APY is almost like 40% per year, and in that you are getting like 18% on USDT and 22% on Bunny. So it's mean that you are going to earn two rewards. You are adding USDT in this pool, and out of that you are going to get USDT and also Bunny. So I just added like 5 USDT just to check, and here you can see that I already have gained this much of USDT and this much of Bunny. And there's also a fee of 0.0 fee for Venus fee, and this is the contract. And if you click on the contract, you can go to BSC scan, and you can see that what is the balance, what is the BNB value, and how many people are using this. And there's also one thing you have to keep in mind, that 0.5% fee for withdrawals within 3 days. So if you had just added, if you withdraw within less than 3 days your funds, you have to pay 0.5% fee, and this time showing that how much time is left. And if you want to add more, you just click deposit and add more. If you withdraw, you just say that you want to withdraw or exit and claim and withdraw. So if I just click exit and claim, MetaMask window pop up, and I just have to say yes, and you can be go out, and you will get your uh, deposited funds back. And here you can see that these are the all the active pools they have. This is the Bunny. So if you add Bunny, you are going to get 239% reward. And if you want to add Bunny BNB flip, you can click here, and you have to add first BNB LP tokens, and then you can add it over here. So there would be two transactions. First you have to approve Bunny, and then you have to add it. Let's see some other pools. Cake. So this is very interesting pool. I like it. It's like 230, and right now on Pancake Swap is only like 100 APY. So it's mean that you are getting more than that Pancake Swap. You are getting like 100% of the pool and also 120% cake. So your output will be 2, and I have like 5%, 5 cakes available. We would just added this in a moment. And here you can see that we also have cake BNB flip. We also have some ethereums, BSUD, USDT. And this is what I like more about this Pancake Bunny Finance, that you can just deposit your BNB and you will getting like 22%, because on Binance if you go there you can get like 5 to 7% on your BNB, but here if you deposit you are also getting BNB plus Bunny token. Same like Ethereum. Like if you want to add your Ethereum on, you can just go and swap your BNB into Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain, and then you can add it. And once you can add it, you are getting like 17%, 8% on the pool, and 10% about Bunny. So you are getting two rewards. So that's the thing which I like about Pancake Bunny Finance. And there are also some interesting pool about BTCB. So if you have Bitcoin, you can just convert that Bitcoin in in Pancake Swap, and you can exchange your BTC to BTCB and also like BUSD. So these are the stable coins, and definitely if you add stable coins, their values are not going anywhere. $1 will always be equal to 1 BUSD, and it's also auto compounding. It means that you are earning interest on your interest, and you don't have to do anything. Okay, so let's add some cake in this pool. So here you can see that it's auto compounding, and you're going to get 230 reward, 100 of percent from the pool, and almost like 128% from the cake. And I have like 5 cake available. So let's add cake deposit. I will just add 5 cake, and you have to click approve cake. The MetaMask open, you click yes, and there would be like 2 transactions. You have to be aware of that. And first is you have to make the proof. Here you can see that you can see it on Binance Smart Chain, and if I add it there, it's pending. If you give a refresh, mostly it's very fast. It just take like it's already been added. So now I have to deposit my 5k. The MetaMask window pop up. I click confirm, and now this transaction is going on BSC Smart Chain. And if I go there and check my wallet, you can see that it's already been added here. And yeah, it's added. So if I go back, maybe give a refresh here, you can see that it's added it. So I already add 5 cake, and I already got like instantaneously this profit on cake and this much on bunny. So there are two, it's almost like $200. And if I go back, you can see that these are the two pools which I have been deposited. One is cake pool where I deposit 5 cake and I am earning some cake plus bunny. Here is USD pool, which is almost like 40%. It's a stable coin. Definitely I'm not gonna lose any value from it. And I'm already up. I deposit like 5 US dollar and already up 2 cent already. Not bad. And if I go back and check on this cake one, and you can see that already adding cakes and already added bunny. And if I want to withdraw, you have to be keep in mind that it's gonna take 0.5% for your withdrawal fee for 3 days. So I think that's all for Pancake Bunny Swap. You can also zap here. If you want to convert, you can also convert it from here. If you want to vote, you can also, if you have a token of bunny tokens in your wallet, you can also go and vote on their upcoming actions, upcoming proposals and everything, which is also good. The community is quite hard proposal to rescue bunny and aid our beefy friends. So if you want, you can also go and vote that. And this is also about the information about wiki Pancake Bunny documents. You can read everything about it, how you can do that, what is the bunny token, how you can use zap, governors, FAQ, and everything. So I think that's all for today. I showed you how to add your MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain in this video, and then I also told you about my pancake swap tutorial, and I also showed you how I deposited 5k and I start earning cake and bunny at the same time, and also about USDT. So I think that's all for today, guys. Leave a comment, leave a like, and tell me if you really like it. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. And until that, take care, keep stacking, and bye bye.